ẹ̀yin tèmi sẹ́yìn náà ti gbọ́ bó ṣe ń lọ wípé ó lé ó wúwo lọ́dọ̀ Doris Ogala. Ó ní ọ̀rẹ́ òun Tonto Dikeh, ó ní ó ṣàlàyé fún òun wípé nǹkan kan ó ń da omi rú lọ́dọ̀ àǹtí Iyabo. Ó ní Tonto sọ fún òun wípé ní ọjọ́ kan òun gbìyànjú láti tan hotspot lórí fóònù àǹtí Iyabo. Ó ní bóun ṣe bá Instagram page kan ní orí fóònù àǹtí Iyabo tó jẹ́ ti Gistlover tí wọ́n ti login sí lórí fóònù wọn. Tonto tún wá sọ fún òun wípé nọ́mbà kan wà nínú gúrùpù tí Very Dark Man tó tú àṣírí ẹ̀ wípé nígbà tí Tonto rí nọ́mbà òun, Tonto yọ ẹni yẹn kúrò nínú gúrùpù. Ó ní kò wá pẹ́ bí àǹtí Iyabo ṣe padà dá ẹni yẹn padà sínú gúrùpù ìyẹn nọ́mbà Gistlover yẹn. Ó ní Tonto wá sọ fún òun wípé ní gbogbo ìgbà táwọn èèyàn ń fa òun lọ́tún lósì lórí ayélujára wípé òun ni Gistlover, wípé àǹtí Iyabo mà ṣetán láti dìde wá sọ pé òun mà kọ́ ni Gistlover. Ó nítorí ìdí èyí òun ò ní dìde, pé gbogbo báyìí ń fa àǹtí Iyabo pé gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ni òun náà rí, pé ṣùgbọ́n òun ò ní dìde. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, eléyìí lágbára, ẹ bá wa gbọ́ lédè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì nítorí wípé ó ṣeé ṣe kẹ́ farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ kẹ́dẹ̀ mọ nǹkan tó sọ, kó jẹ́ wípé Yorùbá tèmi kò dán mọ́rán. Ẹ ṣé.
I tell Very Dark Man, we were driving. I had to press my phone record that day because that was a very sensitive talk. He said, "Una queen mother." So una queen. Say that she be Gistlover. He tell me if I lie, make I not see tomorrow. Say he collect her phone, make you do something, whether that hotspot I be waiting. Say one of the this thing when he press. Say one of the this thing when he press Instagram when he press. They just press Instagram. He take up to Gistlover page. This is where I talk. If I lie, man, I not see tomorrow. Now why you see me? I remember that when I put on very careful. You know what they do? Now what thing you tell me? So you collect phone, make you do Wi-Fi. So if you tell me, this is what if I lie, man, I don't see tomorrow. Not only me tell myself. So you collect phone, make you do something. I put it and I see Gistlover for. I swear to God who made me. I be the one where she tell me for the group. One of those contacts there. She tell me say na Gistlover number. Say again when she remove her. Say again when she remove that person. The admin add the person back. They can't tell me say that time where this guy they drag una queen mother. Say she no go defend her. Because when they tag her, say why he slow down in posting Gistlover. Say why he slow down in posting Gistlover was because when they drag him, they call him Gistlover. Say Gistlover no come and defend them. He said the person say he's surprised una queen mother can't add the person for the group. And for her phone, she stored the person as Gistlover. Then the person can't do something. Now you come out the person, una queen mother bring the person back. Una queen mother go hear this thing where I talk. Most of the cap, I know they lie. Everything where they cap, everything is true. I got plenty things that is real. I be the wrong person. I mean, you want to say right too, right? I go mess una up. Please, what else? If anybody insults me here, insult the person back. Because at first she told me, when they arrested BiBi, they were going back. When they come, I said, not told me that. So when I couldn't give her phone one day, make she put Wi-Fi. Now she just rush, go press one Instagram list. Now you take her to Gistlover page, go. If I lie, man, I don't say anything. I don't think she tell me about una queen. Then, what did she do again? She not told me. When the thing of the star, she said that even in the group, the owner queen added somebody in that group. They need, police need to take that group for forensic. Every number in that group, identify who's there. Invite that to admin. Tell that man, take notes. Every number in that group, let una admin identify who owes the number. This one tell me. Say one of the numbers, say she saw him as Gistlover. Say the number when they carry talk to Gistlover. Say when he call verse, because they call a dragger, they call a caller Gistlover. So that one no come out, you no talk anything. Defend her. You no talk, you leave her, they call the dragger. Now something happen, now you converse. That time she be admin. I converse, remove that number from the group. Then the number, una queen, bring the number back. Come remove her from admin. Where that man, you are seeing this video. Take those numbers, every number in that group, take it to the police. They should identify everybody that is in that group, one after the other, invite them, then scrutinize them. This thing is an information that was given to me. Now I'm bringing it out publicly. Whether it's true, allegedly, I don't know. Whether it's not true, allegedly, me, I don't know. But now, what did they tell me? So, police need to call everybody to that group, call their number, bring that all of them, know the number, investigate who get who. Shebi na me, una they come me. I rode for streets. I go, this one I one out of 100. I say everything I hold up like this for like book, na me. Now me, una won't come fight. Now they say rat, may come fight me. As your right, they fight me. I could expose you. As your rat, they fight me. I could expose you. As if they pain them, it could sweet us. Oh rat, oh rat. I don't tell you so now they sweet like honey. Otobugum like manao. They will come you.